Hey Mary, happy birthday. Boom, boom, happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy, 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 happy birthday to ya. That was me singing horribly. Sorry. But yeah. Happy birthday, Mary. I hope you have an awesome possum day. That should be on a card, Just write it on a card, send it to Hallmark. Bam. Bam, we'll do it again. Just because it's, yeah. So yeah, I hope you have an awesome day. Sorry if this is irritating you. But I have a band. Don't know why, but yeah, I do. Sorry I look so horrible. It's nighttime and I just had to write an essay. So yeah, excuse my ugliness right now. So yeah, happy birthday to you, Mary. I love you so much. And if you guys want to go check out our channel, it's Tiara Fabulous Mary, and she is my bestest friend / pageant sister / Facebook sister. Bam, in your face. So yeah, have an awesome possum day. And when I make money off that card, I'll send you some money because I'm broke right now. And I have a lisp. But yeah, I have to keep this in and it kind of sucks. Kind of hurts my teeth. So yeah, I hope you have an awesome day, Mary. I keep saying that, I know, but that's just how awesome I want it to be. So yeah, I wish I had a birthday cake for you, but I don't. Let me see, is there? If there is, I'm gonna be mad. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, Mary. Yeah. Woo!